get the users to participate in the project? I think this is a very important question. How you want the users to participate into this project?
Typically, the reluctance to participation. So the more reluctance comes in the survey-based approach. So you send the survey to thousands of users, and you get only 20 to 30% response because they're thinking, I'm too busy in doing, my too many problems I face. I don't have time for this. And IT can. Why should I do the job for the IT? They can do it all themselves. Kind of thinking, because they're not seeing the value for themselves in this exercise. So whoever is sponsoring this from IT or whoever is doing this actually have to highlight the value this delivers to the individual stakeholder group, or the key stakeholders at least, who can influence the wellness of the project. So that has to be done in a kind of a communication message which makes sense to them. So that means if there is a business, a finance business stakeholder who is a key influencer, and if depending on what they decide, this may stall the project or make it go smoothly, we need to understand what is their performance criteria and how this exercise will actually improve their performance. For example, if there are application, if we after doing the application rationalization, if it is going to help the marketing department to or sales department to sell more at the salesman level, right?
Yes.
So because they don't have to enter information multiple times across the applications, they don't have to, they can use new technology, all kinds of things. So why we do that? To help the salespeople to do their selling better.
Correct.
So you put the message that way, saying, give us the information, enterprise project is going to help you meet your targets and make your life easier. So once you put it that way, why won't they cooperate? They will.
Yes.
So instead, if you
Correct.
just send a survey saying, I am doing this project, give me the information, they'll say, I don't have time for this.
Correct.
And
You're right.
20% may say, okay, uh, we will just too much bother. I'll just write something and give it to them.
Correct.
So this is why the information quality is very poor.
When we do
Whereas
the survey.
when you do it this way, information is very rich.
Yes.